It's 1 year since the brutal murder of 8-year-old Ariel Bowler, and this was marked on Tuesday after a 12-member jury found 19-year-old Twilly Joseph of Grandin St. George guilty of capital murder. Ariel was discovered in the Frequency area after family and friends went in search for her after they realized she did not return home after school. The gruesome discovery of her body left family, friends, and the state of Grenada in shock. Joseph is expected to be sentenced on the 31st of January 2020 for her death. Addressing the Senate today, President of the Senate Chester Humphrey recalled the uproar that ensued following the murder of Ariel and the calls made to establish a sexual offenders registry.
Ariel Bowler was murdered a few years ago. Her murderer has since been convicted. But since that murder to now, we still do not have a sexual offences register. Since that murder to now, a murder which shocked this nation's conscience, we still have not had in place a sex offenders register.
Senator Humphrey believes that the public is not sufficiently vocal on this issue.
I can't understand how an adult can sexually assault, not a child. A child is a wide definition. An infant, and escape a penal sentence. And what surprises me more is that our population, while people speak about it, but they have not sufficiently expressed the outrage that is necessary.
Senator Humphrey also addressed the response to the proposed draft legislation by some lawyers terminate offensive on the Attorney General.
I want to use this opportunity here and now and my position to appeal to the Ministry of Legal Affairs to go speedily forward with those amendments. Let them challenge it in the Constitutional Court. Happy am I that the sentences now fit the crime. The pendulum of justice have swung too much in favor of the criminal. How does a man who commits a sexual offense on a 5-year infant walks free with a fine of $1,500?
Cherry and Blackman Stephen, GBN News.